here. I'm one of the territory managers for Group Stahl, and I get asked this question all the time. How do I adjust my pressure on my 360 IQ Hotronix cat press? So we're gonna bring you in, I'm gonna show you how to adjust it, some little tips and tricks to know that you're at good solid pressure on your 360. Come on in. So we're at a closer look now at the Fusion IQ brain of the 360 cat press. For those of you that are not familiar, you have your top heat and your bottom heat. You have your pressure reference readout here, and you have your dwell time. This typically, the pressure or PR, will hover somewhere between 1 and 3 when the unit is not engaged or in use. So to set your baseline or your reference point, you're going to tap on it. You can simply move it with the slide bar or the up and down arrows. Very easy to move. We like medium pressure for most of our products, which is between a 5 and a 7. I like 6. You're going to hit your check mark. And now I've set my baseline or my reference point to be at a 6. This does not automatically adjust the pressure of the machine. We still will manually do that with our pressure knob at the top of the machine, which I will show you next. But just to reiterate, when I'm out of the setting mode, you can see it's gone back down to a 2 or a 3. If I tap on it again, I know that my baseline or my reference point of where I want my pressure to be is at a 6. Now let's go and adjust our pressure to get to a 6. Let's take a closer look at our pressure dial or our pressure knob located on the top of the heat press. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, or clockwise for more pressure, counterclockwise for less pressure. So doesn't require a whole lot of turns to the right or to the left to increase or decrease pressure, but now you can see that this is where you actually are going to dial in your pressure. Now we're going to actually test the pressure of the unit to make sure that it's accurate for our project. Before you apply any emblem transfer, you always want to make sure your pressure is set accurately. Remember, I set it to wanting to be at a 6. I've adjusted it on my turn knob up at the top. So now we're going to test to make sure that we are indeed at a 6. You're going to load your hat. You always want to test with the item you're going to actually be applying to. In this case, I'm going to use the thinnest white foam pad. I'm going to lay that down on top, and I'm going to engage just to see where my pressure is. And I'm pretty good. I'm at a 5. I might want to turn it up just a little bit because I really do want it to be at a 6. It's very slight, doesn't need to be aggressive turns of the dial. And we're at a 6. Very easy way to adjust and test your pressure.